and I'm waiting for it. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. So basically, this is how it came. I don't know. Send money globally with confidence, fast, secure, affordable money transfer from UK, America to Asian country. What up, guys? How are you doing? I hope you're all doing good. If you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're old, thanks for sticking around. Okay, so today is very interesting. I want to build a mobile money transfer. Sorry, money transfer app. So let's with an AI. So let's hit on to your browser, and as usual, if you have normally watched my videos, you know I use VO to do all my apps. vo.dev. So if you open for the first time, you have to create an account and then you sign in. So basically, this is a prompt. What can I help you? So I've already typed the prompt. I'll just paste it here. Okay. I'll say as a software developer. Always when you try to give a prompt for AI to give you like an app, try to add this as a software developer to make it more technical. So I say using the core features of these money transfer apps, which is TapTaps and Lemfi, Pay Angel. I want it to design a similar money transfer app from UK, Europe, America to African and Asia. Make it secure, beautiful, and simple interface. The name for the app is called Tech Brain Pay. So basically, I want it to design a money transfer app for me. So now let's hit send and let's see what will happen. But okay, it's thinking. Now let's see what the result is going to be. Wow. I hope it's wow. So as we are waiting for it to finish the code generation, let's take a coffee and while we wait and see what happens. Okay, so as we are still waiting, I want us to just see something. VO, the thought for this app was just 5 seconds. It means it's like it's acting as a human. So when you give it a prompt, it think before doing anything, right? So now let's open the thought and see what it was. Okay, he said, let me plan out a money transfer app and the main feature. This is the main features. You get me? I will use blah 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 blah. Fee calculation, transfer config, history. Wow. So as you see my prompt, I want it to use some of the core part of TapTaps and Lemfi and Pay Angel. I don't know if you have ever used this or if you have heard of this. You know these are all money transfer apps. Basically, the popular one most people knows are TapTap Send. Yeah. So let's see how the final project will be. So just imagine you human trying to trying to code this from ground up. As you can see, so these are our dashboard, sending money, page, layout, login, sign up. I cannot wait to see the outcome. And these are the codes. And I don't know, it's using TypeScript. Yeah, it's one of JavaScript's components. And this, as I said earlier, if you want to get into IT, just learn AI. And also, I have released a model, a video on how to access AI locally. Yeah, I will leave that in the link so that you can follow it and install AI. Yeah, so that you can use it locally. You don't need the internet to do it, and it will be like private. You get me? Yeah. So I'm sipping my coffee and my water, and I'm waiting for it. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, so basically, this is how it came. I don't know. Send money globally with confidence, fast, secure, affordable money transfer from UK, America to the Asian country. So if I click on get started, it should come here. John Doe, let me say and sign in. Sorry, create an account, and I'll create my account and let's see if it's worked. Ah, whoa, whoa, whoa. So you see how crazy AI is. So now, actually, this is not that really complete. You get me? Yeah, but this is just to show you something how you can use the AI to do stuffs. So this if I want to send money, uh, I'm sending I'm receiving $1,000. This is funny. Okay, so this the name will be okay. This will be the name. I don't know. I don't like to mention my name and the recipient phone number. Okay, so you put the recipient phone number. So I'll put my own phone number. I'll press continue. Wow. And now you enter the card and everything. You get me? Man, it's crazy. It's crazy. So now, this is just a testing thing. It's not that complete. So what I'll do is, let's deploy it, and I'll leave it in the link, and you just try to test it, right? You can test it, but I'll test it offline and see how it works. And if there's any changes, I'll really, do it. And I think I can turn this to a rare app. Trust me. I can use it to build my own sending app, and then, as you can see, that's why I was saying, man. As I was saying, send using AI is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more or see more apps using an AI, please just hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and share. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye. Okay, sorry. Before I sign out, let's deploy. As you know, it will deploy for us. So if you don't know about VO Dev, please use VO to build all your apps. Very simple, very easy. And if you would like to upgrade it to get more features, this is just a free version. And it's lovely, and I'm really enjoying it. So now it's ready. Let's visit it. So I need to add an image here to make it look nice. Wow. Can't we save? So so far so good. It's not bad though. Yeah. So I'll update it, and I'll add some stuff to it so that it becomes secure, and I'll work on it. Trust me, I'll show you the final results when everything is done. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.